Hey there everybody, it is Leland the Realtor and today is your monthly market update. We are going to cover the entire month of March. Now first off, we did see a lot of bond market volatility, and that volatility caused interest rates to soar. Early February, mid-February, you were able to get interest rates easily in the 2%, and now we are hovering in the mid 3% range. We do expect, with all the new stimulus coming out and the spending plans, they're going to have to issue more bonds, which likely means more bond market volatility and again, increasing interest rates, at least over the short term. So if you have not refinanced yet, or if you are still looking to buy a home and you want to lock in a lower interest rate, go to lelandlock.com and we'll be happy to assist you in getting the lowest interest rate possible. Now our first item, which is what did home sellers do in the month of March? Well, we saw 1,559 homes come newly listed onto the market. That is 300 more homes than we saw in February. So that is a much needed increase, and we are going to see that number increase over the next few months because it is going to be the warmer months. Also, we'll see that number increase as people become more comfortable with COVID and more okay with people coming into their homes. We saw 357 homes that were under contract have their contracts terminated and they were placed back onto the market. Now this means the buyer no longer wanted to purchase the home, and that could be because many reasons, but primarily it is the appraisal and the inspection that cause people to terminate transactions. We also saw 224 homes either get canceled off the market or temporarily withdrawn. Now our second item, which is what did home buyers do last month? Well, we saw 1,658 homes go under contract. That is a 200 home increase in comparison to February. And we also saw 1,357 homes close and transfer ownership from the seller to the buyer. That is an over 300 home increase. And again, it is a reflection of February when we see those closing numbers, because it takes roughly 30 days to 45 days to close a transaction. And our final item, which is what is going on in the housing market right now? Well, we actually saw an inventory increase, but only by 13 homes. So in February, we saw 816 homes, and at the end of March, we saw 829 homes. It is still extremely competitive out there for home buyers. We also saw 467 homes change the price of their home down to entice new buyers. This was pretty similar to February. Now the big increase that we saw is that the number of homes that sold over their asking price was 34.19%. That beats our record of 28.89%, which in itself is extremely high. Now, the reason why this number is so much higher now is because appraisers have now been able to adjust their appraisals to accommodate for the market. So we aren't seeing as many appraisers knock the price of the home down. I've been seeing more and more frequently, at least anecdotally, that appraisers are willing to give the values that people are asking for, especially when they're seeing 10, 20, and 30 offers on a single home. It seems common sense to give a home a fair value, which has been happening again in the month of March. So if you are looking to sell your home, it is a very good time, much better than it was in February, simply because the appraisers are able to appraise a home appropriately. And we also saw 49 homes expire completely off the market, and then we saw 270 homes use that coming soon feature, which is an only 60 home increase in comparison to the month of February. But again, that coming soon feature is really key in letting home buyers, as well as buyers realtors, know that your home is going to hit the market well before it's actually available for showings and offers. So I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please share with your family and friends. I am Leland the Realtor and the Lender, keeping real estate simple. Have a wonderful day.